one activity by the month of August. Okay, like 4 students, they have earlier prepared a virtual tour on nanotechnology, so that I will consider. Arav is preparing the quiz. Okay, so related to this chapter, if you want to perform any activity, you can tell me today only, you can message me. Otherwise, tomorrow when we are going to start with the periodic table. Anyone who is having a periodic table chart at home?
Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
the name.
Yes, ma'am.
I also have.
Okay, so can you tomorrow, we can do the flip teaching because initial main topics, obviously, I have to teach you. So can you, Darishan, and one more student, you can make choice, make a choice. You can yourself make a choice. So can you do the flip teaching on the periodic table class 11 topics, initial portion? What you have to do nothing. We will be doing the recording. You will be using a periodic table and explaining. कोई भी अपने आप बता दो. Anyone tell me your name? Because everyone has to do one activity. Yes, it means you have to tell what is group, what is period, how many elements are there in the periodic table, what is the Mendeleev's. Mendeleev से start करेंगे. What is the Mendeleev's law? And so on. Can anyone do this? I will guide the student.
Okay,
Tell the name.
I'm Anshika.
Okay, Anshika, you want to choose one more friend?
Anyone?
See, you tell me according to your choice. Any of your friends particularly. Okay, you can ask your friends and message me by the evening, by 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, so that I will be guiding you what to do. Okay,
ma'am.
Anshika? Okay, so you can message me after 5 o'clock. Yes.
Have a chart of periodic table to do this activity.
बेटा that will be better ना. आप क्या help लोगे flip teaching में? कोई तो आपको help चाहिए होगी ना. Flip teaching means either you can use a board, blackboard, और भी activities आएंगे बेटा. अभी तो मैंने अंशिका, do you have a chart of periodic table?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Anshika can do one more student. Other activities I will be telling you simultaneously only. Okay.
Ma'am, have you taken the attendance?
Not right now. I will be taking it afterwards. Okay, in the middle I will be taking it. Okay, so I am pointing the camera towards the board and we are finishing the chapter. I hope there were few students who have not studied yesterday. So, और भी बेटा अगर किसी और बच्चे के माइंड में सी तुम्हारे ब्रेन तो बच्चों के स्टूडेंट्स ब्रेन्स आर ऑलवेज इनोवेटिव. Okay, so all of you have to obviously conduct activity which will be marked because in the midterm your practical marks are given. So either I will take it as an internal assessment or add these in the practical marks. Okay, that I will decide later on. So if anyone is having more idea regarding the activity they can do, next chapter we are going to start with the periodic table. So either from periodic table or you can take from previous chapters. Any of the activity. जैसे shape of orbitals, someone is having a dumbbell, they can explain the shape of the orbitals using the dumbbells. If anyone is fitness freak, for a sphere you can use a ball. So it depends upon you. Think of it, जितनी जल्दी खत्म करो उतना अच्छा है. So every week 1 or 2 students या 4-5 students will be conducting any activity. ठीक है, जिसको बाद में कुछ नहीं समझ आएगा, then I will guide the student.
Ma'am, course will be decided on our own.
Yes, activity will be decided by you first thing. लेकिन जैसे कल मेरे को periodic table कराना है तो मुझे पता था कि periodic table कोई भी बच्चा भी समझा सकता है. मेरे को समझाने की जरूरत नहीं because you have studied it. So that's why I told regarding this activity. Okay, 4th chapter maybe there will be lot of activities, hybridization, Vesper theory. You can use those also. Sometimes otherwise जो बच्चों का computer hand अच्छा है, they can play the quiz. Okay, so you decide of the activities on your own. Okay. So what we were doing are the electronic configurations. And what I told you regarding the exceptional configuration of और जरूरी नहीं एक्टिविटी करो because zero
What
चाहिए.
is not visible?
I am just suggesting it. I think it's visible right properly now. Okay. Now in the chapter number. ठीक है और पीछे करो. Okay. Now in the case of structure of atoms, when we were doing the electronic configurations, and from next week we will be starting taking the practicals also on Saturday. Practical periods होते हैं Saturday. अभी तो मैं थोड़ा theory के लिए extra ले रही थी. Then I won't be taking extra, and we will be doing practicals. Okay. In the case of electronic configuration, we have done the case of. See, I am starting from scandium atomic number 21. It was argon. I told you better to write 3D first and then 4s. 4s में generally 2 electrons होते हैं, so you can write like this: argon 18 plus 2, 20, so 3D 1. Is it okay? So this is a way of writing. Then argon के बाद after argon there is titanium. What is the configuration of titanium?
Argon 3D2 4s2.
See, always write like this: argon 4s2. Now 3D में 18 plus 2 22. Okay. Then it will be titanium vanadium 23. Then it is chromium 24. Now I have told you that this is exceptional configuration. Today only I was compiling the marks of your Google Forms test taken. मैं सोची वो शायद PDF भी मैं आपको check करके final भेज दूंगी. And few problems I was facing in the few mail ID. One of them have written by 6 something. Better write a mail ID by your name. Okay, I will go through it. मैं आपके marks भी लगा दूंगी क्योंकि internal assessment में everything will be required.
Sir, वो टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं गया था, so
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, अब जो भी है उसको मैं कंसीडर नहीं करूंगी. अगर हम और फर्दर टेस्ट कर लेंगे then I won't consider that test. But what I want to say is that be serious in the test. और जो नहीं देंगे obviously they will be marked absent, 0 marks. Absent भी नहीं, 0 marks. देना ना देना it's your wish. If you are not giving, I will mark it 0. It doesn't matter. मैं क्यों परेशान हूँ? Okay. Now chromium, it is exceptional configuration as I have told you. Okay. Now there were 2 reasons which I have told. Akshita, can you tell me the reason why chromium is having the exceptional configuration? Yes, Akshita.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't remember.
Properly, anytime I can ask for you to send a PDF. Akshita, read from your classwork copy what you had written. Akshita, are you maintaining your classwork copy?
Yes, ma'am, I'm maintaining. Just give me a second, please.
The last topic we had done. You are not reading means you are not maintaining. Gautam.
Ma'am, I missed out that part. Actually, I got disconnected. It's not written in my notebook.
Yes, Gautam. Gautam, can you tell me the reason? Akansha, can you tell me the reason? Akansha? Okay, the one who is raising the hand, they can tell me the reason.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Both are half filled.
Yes, I was asking the question, what is the reason for exceptional configuration of chromium? This was my question.
Ma'am, because they have extra stability of exactly half filled and exactly half filled and exactly fully filled
Yes,
orbitals.
I'm exchanging.
Exchange in orbit also, but because of extra stability of exactly half filled and fully filled, particularly this is more valid in the case of d orbitals. S orbitals में तो एक या दो ही होंगे ना, either will be half filled or fully filled. So particularly it is more applicable for those elements which are having the d orbitals like 3d orbitals, because of the extra stability of exactly half filled and fully filled d orbitals. Now next, 1 minute, I am telling the name of the students and they have to answer. Okay. Now I will be asking from Kunjal onwards. Kunjal, Lakshay, Manav, Pragya, Rishabh. Okay. These students have to tell me. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm facing some network issue, so can I join a few minutes later? I
Okay,
can't see your screen.
I am also recording the class.
Okay.
Okay. Now can you tell for Kunjal? Can you tell for manganese what will be the electronic configuration?
Ma'am, argon 3d5
4s2. Is it okay? I am always telling you first argon means 18, then writing 4s, and then 25 means 5 more are required. Next, I have read out the names. Next student. For
Yes.
iron. Yes, for iron.
Argon 3d6 4s2.
Yes. Argon 3d6 4s2. Can you tell me the orbital diagram? There are 5 d orbitals, right?
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Can you tell me how to show the electrons in the case of 3d6?
Ma'am, in the first box, an upper arrow and a down arrow, and others will be one arrow.
Correct. Okay. First they will be singly filled and then the pairing will take place. What is this rule called as? Which rule? Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Okay. Next one, again I have told the name. Next one, cobalt. CO means cobalt.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, argon 3d7 4s.
Argon 3d7 4s2. Next, nickel. Next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Argon 3d8 4s2.
Argon 3d8 4s2. Next, लिखो. I am just coming in a second, just opening the door. You just tell me for next one, copper. Okay, copper again. Let me tell you, copper again is the exception. Okay, what should be the configuration according to you?
Ma'am, argon 3d10 4s1.
Yes. अगर हम normal चलेंगे तो argon then 4s2. Argon means 18 plus 220 and then it should be 3d9. But no, because of the extra stability of exactly half filled and fully filled d orbitals. This is particularly valid in the case of d orbitals. I am again and again telling you. So one of the electrons from 4s will jump to 3d orbital. So the configuration will become argon 3d10 4s1. Argon 3d10 4s1. Shivansh, what is the reason for this? Yes. Shivansh, can you tell me? Yes.
Ma'am, because half filled, there will be more stability.
हाँ, केवल हाफ फिल्ड. 3D क्या होगा? What about 3D? Fully filled. Same reason.
3D will be
Because
fully filled and the second will be half filled.
yes, s orbitals में generally हम mention ही नहीं करते क्योंकि s orbital तो single होते हैं ना. Either it will be half filled or fully filled. There is no other scope. The main reason is that simply just write down in this form because of the extra stability of exactly half filled and fully filled d orbitals. Only this reason. Okay. Next.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Marik, settle. Next one. Whose name was there? Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm argon 3d10 4s2.
Argon 3d10 4s2. Okay. So this topic you should be remembering because next chapter, that is the periodic table and its details, they are based on this topic. It will be required for your further chapters. Okay. So with this, we have done the electronic configuration of the 30 elements. Acha, agar suppose, let me take one more element, 31. What will be the next element having atomic number 31?
Gallium.
Gallium.
Gallium. Okay, it is element gallium. Okay, now मैं कोई और easy element ले लेती हूँ. Okay, चलो gallium लेते हैं. Now, what will be the configuration of gallium?
3d11 4s2.
No,
4p1.
3d10 4s2 4p1.
3d orbital is completely filled, 4s is filled. Now, which orbital is having more energy?
4p.
4p. So now the electrons can enter into 4p, like 4p1, 4p2, and so on. After 4p, they will be entering into 5s. Okay. After this, they will be, see, our principle we have already done. 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 3p, then 4s, then 3d, then 4p, and then 5s. So now they will start entering into the 5s. Okay, randomly, let me take an element randomly. I am asking you to write down the electronic configuration of element with atomic number 37. Atomic number 37. You can tell in the term of 1s, 2s. Lakshay, can you tell me?
Ma'am 5s1 हो जाएगा last.
Yes, very good. But I want to answer from Lakshay now. No one else. Lakshay was there.
Yes.
Lakshay, can you tell me? Just try it. Ogbo principle is given to you.
Last one will be 4p6.
1s2. Tell me like this. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then?
And 3s2.
3s2, then?
And 3p6.
3p6, very good.
3d10.
Okay, 3d10.
4s2.
4s2, then? इसी ऑर्डर में कोई बात नहीं.
4d6.
हाँ. अच्छा, आप एक काम करो ना, आप इसी ऑर्डर में बोलो, तब आपको शायद इजी हो. 3p6, then 4s2, then 3d10, then? After 3d, which orbital will come?
And 4p.
4p. Okay, यहाँ तक कितने हो गए? 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30. ठीक है ना? Then 4p6, then?
And 5s1.
5s1. Okay, so you can write off any element using the Ogbo principle. आपको D block में बोला particularly जब ions के case आएंगे तो better write 3D first and then 4s while removing the electrons. Okay, next question. Cu plus ion. Next one is of Cu plus. Siddhant. Any of the Siddhant? Cu plus.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in atomic number 37, ma'am, what will be the valence shell? 5s or 4d?
Outermost shell. What is the outermost shell having highest value of n?
Yes, ma'am.
5s. यहाँ पर भी देखो ना, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स किससे जाएंगे? 4s से जाएंगे, बिकॉज हाईएस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ n, दैट विल बी द वैलेंस शेल. Highest value of n. Okay, now what will be the configuration of Cu plus?
4s2 3d8.
तो एक मिनट, नहीं देखो, कॉपर की ये कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होती है. व्हाट इज द आउटरमोस्ट शेल? 3d और 4s?
हम 3d10.
4s वैलेंस शेल मींस हाईएस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ n. यहाँ पर एक वैल्यू विल बी 4. तो कॉपर प्लस की होगी आर्गन 3d10 4s 0. Is it okay? Okay, let's take any more question. Mn2 plus. Okay, now let me ask a particular student, only those they will answer. Shreya. Yes, Shreya. Say yes, ma'am. श्रेया, आपसे तो बहुत टाइम से कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा मैंने. श्रेया, श्रेया, आर यू प्रेजेंट और शुड आई रिमूव यू फ्रॉम द मीटिंग? Yes, Shreya.
No. Rasalai Excel, you said.
Yes, Shreya, can you tell me what will be that of Mn2 plus? Yes, you are not audible to me. Siddhant Jain. Siddhant. हाँ श्रेया बोलो, if you are trying. श्रेया, कल से मेरे को रिस्पॉन्स चाहिए. सिद्धांत जैन, टेल मी द आंसर.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, Mn2 plus will be, ma'am, argon. उसके बाद मैम 3d10 नहीं 3d5 4s0. 3d5 4s0.
First tell me of manganese, Siddhant.
Argon 3d5 4s1.
Okay. 3p6 out of 3d5 4s2. Is this of argon? Manganese?
4s1 ma'am, sorry.
क्यों manganese बेटा 25 होता है ना?
Okay, sorry ma'am, 4s.
यहाँ तक 10 एक बार देख लिया करो आराम से. 10 plus 6 18 हो गया यहाँ तक. argon 18 plus 2 25. Okay, now tell me the configuration of Mn2 plus.
Ma'am, it will be argon 3d5 4s0.
ठीक है, outermost electron will be removed from 4s. Okay, now tell me the configuration of Mn4 plus. अच्छा बोलो, आप बोलो.
Argon 3d3 4s0.
Yes, argon 3d3 4s0. Outermost shell is 4s, so 2 electrons will be removed from here. And in the 3d orbitals, we are getting 3 electrons. Is it clear to all of you?
I'm writing 4s0 is necessary because there are no electrons in that shell.
Yes, but it's better because we are showing that electrons are being removed from 4s. It's better. If you're not writing, obviously marks will be given. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I have taken of a number of ions. Now reason I am telling you regarding exchange energy, so this point I am telling you in very short, because the chapter is also over, because exchange energy has been deleted from the syllabus, but let me tell you in short.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, so we will not take, ma'am, 4d and we will take 5s as valence shell of atomic number 37.
Yes, 5s. Rubidium बताया था ना, atomic number 37 was rubidium, atomic number 37. It was, let me write complete, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. यहाँ 4s2 हम वो प्रिंसिपल फॉलो कर लेते हैं, ठीक है. 3d10 4p6, 5s1. It was like this.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm simply following Ogbo principle. Now just see which is the valence shell. Highest value of n.
5s1.
So if suppose I am giving rubidium plus, so I will be writing all this and then 4p6, 5s0. Valence shell means highest value of s. Highest value of n. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you count the 37 electrons?
It's not there. Have I done any mistake? Okay, 2,
Ma'am, I just want
4,
to know.
10, 20, 30, 36, 37. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me take one more example since you are interested, I think. Okay, let me take off another ion. Okay, atomic number. I want to take an example which is not an exceptional case. Because generally we are following till atomic number 30 only. Okay, let's take off atomic number 39. Atomic number 39. 39 मतलब atomic number, let's take 35. Atomic number 35. That is bromine. What will be the configuration?
Argon 3d10 4p
5.
4p5 4p5.
Okay. Now just see which is the valence shell. What is the highest value of n? 4. अब 4 पहले आएगा, 4p बाद में आएगा, obvious है ना? So this is my valence shell. Now if I have to write the configuration of Br minus, what will be the
4p.
जब भी ऐड होता है किसमें ऐड होगा? बैलेंस शेल में. लूज भी
Yes.
किससे होगा? ये हमारा periodic table में यूज होगा. Ionization energy means from valence shell an electron is added to the valence shell. So it will be 3d10 4p6. The electron is always removed or added to the valence shell. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
So now last topic, I am just explaining it. No need to write much because I am telling this is related from the syllabus, that is the exchange energy. Now this concept, this energy is the energy released. First thing is that it is the energy released. And whenever it is the energy released, it leads to stability. We have already, I have explained to you that chromium and copper are exceptionally stable because of the maximum exchange energy released and extra stability of half-filled and fully filled orbitals. Okay, noble gases भी तो हमारी stable होती है ना? All of you know.
Yes, ma'am.
What
Yes, ma'am.
says that they have a complete octet of electron, and we can also say because of the extra stability of fully filled orbitals. Noble gases have fully filled orbitals, like I am taking in neon 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So it is highly stable because the p orbital is fully filled, and also the exchange energy released is high. Okay, now suppose I am taking the case of d orbitals. Suppose the configuration is 3d1. So can this electron exchange this position with certain other electron? Yes or no? No, because there is no other electron present. So if the configuration of 3d1, it means no exchange possible. Exchange किसका होगा? Electron का. ठीक है. Now if it is 3d2, just see अब यहाँ से आपको clear होगा. Now if it is 3d2, so it means there are two electrons. So can they exchange their positions? ऐसा भी हो सकता है ये इधर आ जाए और ये इधर आ जाए. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Exchange means केवल position exchange कर रहा है, vacant space पे नहीं जा रहा. So how many exchanges possible?
1.
ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज अगर इफ दिस ये इलेक्ट्रॉन अगर इधर आएगा तो ये इधर आएगा, एक ही तो एक्सचेंज हुआ ना, दो एक एक्सचेंज हुआ ना, दोनों ने अपना पोजीशन एक्सचेंज कर ली. ओके, इफ आई एम टेकिंग इज 3d4, 3d3 ले लेते हैं, चलो 3d3. नाउ सी द एक्सचेंजेस. पहले फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन किसके साथ कर सकते हैं, इसके साथ भी कर सकते हैं और इसके साथ भी. ठीक है, फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन 2 exchanges are possible. Now for second electron how many exchanges are possible? 2 नहीं, फर्स्ट और सेकंड कर चुके हैं. फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन सेकंड के साथ पहले ही कर चुके हैं और फर्स्ट वाला थर्ड के साथ भी कंसीडर हो चुका. तो यानी हम फर्स्ट को छोड़ दोगे आप, तो अब केवल सेकंड और थर्ड ही तो करेंगे. आर यू गेटिंग द पॉइंट? फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन सेकंड के साथ कर सकते हैं, फर्स्ट कैन डू विद थर्ड वन. तो फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन इज नाउ ओवर. नाउ सेकंड और थर्ड बचे, तो सेकंड कैन एक्सचेंज विद थर्ड. So only 3 exchanges are possible. Now if I am writing is 3d4, 3d4 means again 4 electrons. So 1 we can do only 1 electron. Yes.
6 exchanges possible.
6 exchanges. Okay, let's see. First electron 1, 2, 3. Now we are taking for second electron. First को भूल जाओ. Second can do with
3 and 4.
Third and fourth.
ठीक है, plus 2. Now only third is left. Third can do with
4.
Fourth.
4.
plus 1. So 6 exchanges. Okay, now I am directly coming to 3d5. See, first के लिए 4 होंगे, 1, 2, 3, 4. सेकंड किससे के साथ करेगा, 1, 2, 3. ठीक है ना, सेकंड के लिए 1, 2, 3. थर्ड के लिए फोर्थ और फिफ्थ प्लस 2. फोर्थ और फिफ्थ एक, यही होगा. जस्ट चेक इट. आई एम नॉट ड्रॉइंग कंप्लीटली. फर्स्ट किसके साथ कर सकते हैं, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ. फर्स्ट के लिए 4 exchanges. सेकंड के लिए देखो 1, 2, 3, 3 exchanges. थर्ड के लिए देखो 2 exchanges. फोर्थ के लिए 1. So we can see exactly how it is more stable. Why? Because there are 10 exchanges. So सबसे ज्यादा exchange. So in this case, more exchange energy is released. तो अगर मैं D4 और D5 करूँगी तो D5 will be more stable. Why? Because more exchange energy is released. अगर कोई भी energy release कर रहे तो it means it will have minimum energy, and minimum energy means more stable. In the physics science, the one system which is having the minimum energy is highly stable. ये बच्चों में
Ma'am, it can only happen in d orbital.
generally we are studying for d orbitals. Generally, p में भी होता है, but it is comparatively less. Mostly it is in the d orbitals and f orbitals also. F orbitals हमें study ही नहीं करना, 11th में भी नहीं, 12th में बहुत थोड़ा सा study है. ठीक है? So with this, the chapter is over.
Ma'am, because of these large number of exchanges, they have least exchange energy.
Yeah, they have, we can say yes, because of the large exchange, they are more stable. Simply write down. Because of the large number of exchanges, more exchange energy is released, so they are highly stable. हम ये नहीं कह सकते ना कि इनके पास exchange energy कम है.
मैम तो रिलीज कौन करता है मैम?
यही करते हैं ना. So we can write they are highly stable because of more exchange energy released. अगर ये रिलीज कर देंगे तो उनके पास कम रहेगी ना, so they become more stable. ठीक है? Okay. Now see, anything you want to ask in this chapter? Yes or no? No. Okay. So let's, Arav, can you arrange the devices, all of you? एक आपको लैपटॉप पे, या तो आई थिंक यू कैन डू द स्प्लिट स्क्रीन, और एक फोन ले आओ, नहीं तो हार्डली फॉर 10-15 minutes. Arav, I am making you a presenter. So Arav, this I should write only in your name, क्योंकि मेरे ख्याल से only you have done the effort. Okay. Anyone who is having the screen recorder in their phone or laptop? Anyone who is having? Yes.
Arav has.
तो कैन यू कर सकते हो रिकॉर्डिंग? मैं भी वैसे कर ही रही हूँ, मैं दोबारा से रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ बिकॉज आई वांट द रिकॉर्डिंग्स ऑफ ऑल दिस एज अ प्रूफ. तो हु इज डूइंग द स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग? मेरे को आरव की ही चाहिए बेसिकली, द वन हु इज प्रेजेंटिंग. You will do? Okay.
I do.
So, Arav, send the link on the WhatsApp group. A link is provided on the WhatsApp group. I think so. Arav will guide you because it is a new experience for me also. Yes. Okay. So I think screen recording has started. Okay, how many time will be given for each question now? The instruction? 20 seconds. Okay, that is the standard time. So all of you are ready?
Ma'am, someone is using my name.
That I can't do anything regarding this. Okay, let's see after this because I have, I think, muted everyone. Yes, so who is the topper? Vani, I think.
Please see, ma'am, someone is using my name.
How can I see this? Arav, you also read the question, okay? When now you are posting a new question, just read out the question.
व्हाट्सएप वाले से मेरा नाम लिखा हुआ है aryan.s करके.
But please join by your own name, not by like this good boy or so. How will I know? Arav, what's the next question you have sent? तो ये नेम्स अभी अच्छा जो लॉगिन कर रहे हैं उनके आ रहे हैं. Because on my screen I can see only the names. So should I also have to join by the link? Oh, okay. Okay, now you can do your screen recording. Yes, it's quite an easy question. 21 answers. 22. And 19 questions are correct. No problem. Beta, all of you, please try. I think more than 30 students are there. Siddharth. Correct. Just think on the basis of value of n and l, which orbital is not possible. Okay, only 18 correct answers. Again, Siddharth is the topper, followed by Aman. Just think of pH, py, and pz, and you will be getting the answer. Okay. But a few students, I think they are not answering at all. Fast. Principal means value of n. What does it relate? Size of a H orbital. Okay, now Bhavya is the winner. Himanshu is the highest climber. Just think n is equal to 0 means which orbital, L is equal to 1 means which orbital. It shows how carefully you are listening in the class.
Ma'am, but this is wrong.
Ma'am, L is 1.
मैम 3 भी होना चाहिए था मैम 4 भी
4P होना चाहिए था मैम आंसर.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Let's see.
Ma'am, question is not visible.
Okay, can you read the question? Question is, what transition in the hydrogen spectrum would have the same wavelength in the Balmer series? Okay, time is up. Okay, next time we will take care कि questions ऐसे दें or we will extend the time to 30 seconds. No problem. This is the first time we all are playing. Okay. No problem. Next time we will be more particular. Aishwarya, very good. Even 9 correct answers. Few questions, I think they need more time for the calculation. Okay, so we will keep this in mind in the further quizzes. No problem. Only 3 correct answers. I think a number of students are playing the guesswork. Someone very. This you can do easily. It's very short question. Eight correct answer.
मैम बट उसमें था कि all of them have same energy. How is it possible 3s 3p 3d सारे में same energy?
बाद में डिस्कस करते हैं, अभी पहले क्वेश्चंस करो. Just think of iron we were doing today. Iron is 10. Should I give you? It is 3d6 4s2. That is the configuration of iron. 3d6 4s2. Now think of the answer first. For Fe2 plus. Outermost electron will be lost from 4s. इसमें तो बेटा मैंने हिंट दे दिया था पूरा. चलो anyway. Now Aman is on the top. Yes, this is very easier question. What is the Pauli's exclusion principle and or dash contains maximum of 2 electrons? Think of the answer first. Which contains maximum of 2 electrons? Answer is orbital. Okay, so say the Arav, you will be winner is Daman. Very, very good. Daman, clap for you. Aman है, okay. Daman अच्छा second है, okay. Aman, very good. Daman, Siddharth, very, very good. और एटलीस्ट मुझे अब लगा कि दमन इज नाउ व्हाट इज गिविंग, मतलब मुझे इतना अच्छा इंप्रेशन नहीं था दमन आपके बारे में. एंड व्हाट अबाउट यू कुंजल, वानी, वंशिका, दो स्टूडेंट्स हु यूज्ड टू आंसर कनक? Okay, you can stop the, after this we can stop the quiz and then we can discuss, and whatever problems you are facing that we will be taking care in the next quiz. So at least
network was slow.
Okay, so next time we will give you more time. Anyone, everyone who will be making the quiz for the next session, and they can give 30 seconds now. Okay, and don't give much calculation based questions. Okay, आरव को तो खैर मैंने भी बताए थे, मैंने भी इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया था. So next time we will take care of the problems faced. Very well done, Arav, and you prepared a quiz in such a short notice of time. Very good. Thank you, Arav. Okay. So what were the questions in which you were facing problem?
Ma'am, the question which said orbitals 3D, 3s, 3p have same energy.
Okay, let me see.
And ma'am, that 4p1 also.
Let me just wait. I have to search for the questions and the answers. Which of the statement in relation to the hydrogen atom is correct? This was the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 9. The answer is D part. Okay. See, when we are taking the case of hydrogen atom, do you think that it is splitting up into 3s, 3p and 3d orbitals? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Will it split? No.
I mean, it
Because
only
for
has one
hydro,
electron.
it is having only one electron. So it will, it means that n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3 shells are present, but they are not split up. Is it okay? So this question is correct. Only all the orbitals have same energy because they have particularly mentioned the hydrogen atom. In the hydrogen atoms, further splitting is not there. Okay, so little bit tricky question. Which other?
Ma'am, 4p1. Ma'am, that n is equals to 4 and L is equals to 1.
And is it, which was fourth question?
Yes, ma'am, I guess.
1 minute. Question नहीं मिल रहा. N is equal to 4 and L is equal to
1.
1 नहीं था बेटा, 3 था I think. Answer was 4F.
मैम लेकिन आंसर 4F था और लेकिन था 1.
कोई बात नहीं, वो बेटा या तो टाइपिंग वो करते हुए हो गई होगी प्रॉब्लम, कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है.
और मैम पता नहीं 3 बच्चे ने वो भी ठीक कर दिया था, पता नहीं कैसे.
3 बच्चों ने वो भी ठीक कर दिया था.
यस मैम.
जिनको कुछ नहीं है, कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जिनको नहीं आता, वो तो बस वो हाथ रखते हैं या आईज बंद करके ना कहीं पे भी टिक लगा देते हैं, होते हैं ना ऐसे एग्जाम में. मे बी इट्स लाइक दिस. आई डोंट वांट टू इंसल्ट द स्टूडेंट्स. मेरे को नहीं मालूम कौन था, लेकिन ये होते हैं नहीं आता, चलो जिस पे मनो लगा दिया. So I think that can be the case.
Pauli's exclusion principle 1.
उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
Ma'am, can you just repeat that question?
Okay, I will send you the questions if you want. That's not an issue. Okay, I will be sending you the screenshot of the questions. Pauli's exclusion principle बताया था ना, maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in any orbital. I was telling you the principle that no two or dash has a बताया था ना, cannot have more than 2 electrons. An orbital cannot have more than 2 electrons. So it is regarding an orbital. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So should I start with? Okay, time is almost up. Okay, regarding the assignment, yes. One thing आपने बेटा कुछ बच्चों ने, अब मैं प्रॉपर रिकॉर्ड बनाने भी लग गई हूँ, पुरानी असाइनमेंट सबमिट नहीं किए, मैं टीम्स पे ओपन कर दूंगी, प्लीज सबमिट दोस. कैन यू डू दोस थिंग?
Yes.
I will be giving you time till weekend so that you can submit, all of you, even the new admissions, they can take the assignments and submit. I will give it to all, open it for all. अभी याद से अभी ही कर दूंगी मैं, ठीक है? So you can submit your assignments. If someone is facing a problem, they can send to me directly in the PDF. Okay, second thing, I was thinking of creating a Google assignment क्योंकि Teams में ना जब हम लोग देखते हैं, it gets very messed up. So should I send you the link for the Google Classroom?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, एक बार ट्राई करते हैं. आई एम नॉट वेरी मच श्योर कि कैसे वर्क करेगा. तो आई विल बी सेंडिंग यू द just 1 minute. I am sending a link. Just try to open.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, where can I find these previous assignments which you sent earlier?
In the group, or I will make it setting change कर दूँगी. I think then it will be visible to you.
Okay.
ठीक है. लेकिन बेटा मैं सब
WhatsApp group or this Teams one?
मैं Teams पे ही पहले ओपन करके देखूंगी. अगर फिर विजिबल नहीं हुई then you can tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
लेकिन बेटा प्लीज मेक अ पॉइंट, क्योंकि एवरीथिंग विल बी मार्क्ड. सीबीएसई ने जैसे बोला है कि साल में 2 बार रिकॉर्ड मांगेगा, तो रिकॉर्ड तो हम तभी पूरा करके दे देंगे ना. अच्छा ये देखो, ये मैंने क्या खुला है. जस्ट चेक इट. कुछ और तो नहीं भेज दिया? नहीं, ये तो कुछ और है. ओके आई विल, मैंने अपना कुछ भेज दिया मेरी. सॉरी ओके आई विल. नहीं मैंने लिंक मैं फिर अभी ढूंढूं कि बेटा कहाँ पर है. अभी मेरे को मिल नहीं रहा. तो आई विल बी सेंडिंग यू द लिंक. एक बार देखना अगर उसमें आप कर सकते हो तो नेक्स्ट असाइनमेंट उसमें समवन वाज टेलिंग मी, बस आपको एक बार लॉग इन करके उसको छोड़ देना है अपने नाम से प्रॉपर. देन इट विल बी ओपन, और जब भी आपको असाइनमेंट होगा वो उसी में मैं भेजूंगी और उसी से हमारे पास आ जाएगी. तुम्हारी क्लास की ना फिर मिक्सअप नहीं होगी. केमिस्ट्री वोंट बी मिक्स्ड अप विद एनी अदर सब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, तो लेट्स ट्राई दिस. तो मैं आज भेज देती हूँ अभी थोड़ी
मैम 10th में भी टीचर्स वही यूज करती थी मैम, वो दैट इज मोर कन्वीनियंट.
दैट इज मोर कन्वीनियंट ना. हाँ तो मैं देखती हूँ बेटा, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने आज तक यूज नहीं की, लेकिन टेंशन में प्रॉब्लम होती थी, बहुत सर्च करना पड़ता था, इतना डाउनलोड भी नहीं होता था. तो आई विल बी जस्ट सेंडिंग इट एंड देन लेट्स सी. ठीक है, तो अभी पुरानी असाइनमेंट तो टीम्स में, तो टीम्स में ही छोड़ दोगे जो फर्दर असाइनमेंट होगी. ठीक है, और मैं कल ये भी देख रही थी, जैसे गूगल में मैं अगर कोई क्लासरूम में कोई मैं अगर पीडीएफ डालती तो आप उसी पीडीएफ को करके उसी के ऊपर, जैसे अगर एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन तो आप वहीं फिल कर सकते हो. दिस आई वाज चेकिंग, तो इट वाज पॉसिबल. तो कुछ चीजों में आपका काम बच जाएगा. ठीक है, कल तक कर लेना इस चैप्टर की असाइनमेंट. एमसीक्यू वाली कल ही कर लेंगे फिर हम क्लास में फटाफट, जब भी पीरियड है मतलब. ठीक है,
Okay, ma'am.
1 minute. I am just checking the attendance, then you can leave. Just wait. अंशिका, आप मेरे को शाम को एक बार कॉल कर लेना.
ओके मैम.
ये अभी करना है, अभी थोड़ी देर में कर लेना till 2:30. Okay, you can leave all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.